In question number 1, in a simple regime which it's a height is 8√3 meter and it is volume it is volume 864 cubic meter or meter cube, and the prism base is equilateral triangle. So calculate the full area of a simple prism. Given figure number 1. Solution. Now we draw a simple equilateral triangle. Simple equilateral triangle. Now we draw a simple equilateral triangle of a triangle base of a prism. This is a simple equilateral triangle. This is a simple equilateral triangle. This is triangle, simple triangle. Simple equilateral triangle. This is a simple equilateral triangle base. So equilateral triangle base draw. The two base of a simple prism. The base may be simple equilateral triangle. So join. This is the joint. This is the height. This is the height in the equilateral triangle. This is the height of equilateral triangle. So this is equilateral triangle base, and this is equilateral triangle base. This base side is A and A and A. This is A. This is A. This is A. This length maybe is a height. H is equal to 8√3 meter given. So A is not mentioned dimension. So this is height, and this is height is equal to 8√3. Figure 1. Solution. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F in equilateral triangle. A is side of triangle and H is equal to height of a prism, and given height is 8√3 meter, and volume is, we know volume of a cylinder, volume of a prism is AH is equal to the given 864. So equation 1, and A is equal to area of a base of a equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 for square is equal to A. We know this is the formula. And h equal to 864, then h is equal to 864 by 8 root 3 equal to 108 by root 3. So a equal to a equal to 108 by root 3 area. So a equal to area of the equilateral triangle. Root 3 for square equal to area of a equilateral lateral triangle. So we put up the value root 3 for a square equal to 108 by root 3. So a square by 4 equal to 108 by root 3 equal to, imply that a square by 4 equal to 108 by, so volume A is equal to 864 cube meter or meter cube. So A is equal to area is equal to 864 by 8 root 3 equal to 108 by root 3 equation 2. So area of the equilateral triangle is equal to a root 3 by 4 a square. So area of a equilateral triangle. So root 3 by 4 a square is equal to area of equilateral triangle is equal to 108 by root 3, imply that a square by 4 is equal to 108 by 8 root 3, 108 root 3 into root 3. So 108 by root 3 into root 3 equal to, or a square of 4 is equal to 108 by 3, and imply that a equal to 108 by 3 root over a is equal to 4 whole root over, or imply that a is equal to, or a is equal to 6 into 12 is equal to 6 into 2 equal to 12 meter square meter. So a is equal to 12 meter equal to, imply that a is equal to 12 meter. So side of a equilateral triangle is equal to 12 meter one side. So this is 12 meter and this is 12 meter. So 12 meter, a is equal to, find out 12 meter. Then we calculated side surface area equal to, side surface area equal to LH. We know L is equal to 3A. 3 into A is equal to 12 is equal to 36. So LH is equal to 36 into H is equal to 8 root 3. So is equal to 288 root 3 square meter. So LH is equal to 288 root 3 square meter. Then calculation total volume, total surface area of a prism equal to 2A plus LH, where 2 into A is equal to area of the triangle, equilateral triangle, plus LH. We calculate LH is equal to 28. So area is equal to 2 into root 3 by 4 into A is equal to 12 whole square plus LH is 288 root 3. So root 3 by 4 a square, a is equal to 12 whole square, and 288 root 3, imply that root 3 by 4 into 144 plus 288 root 3 into 2 into root 3 by 4, from this corner 2 7 14 30 past 72 root 3. So root 3 is back common. So 288 plus 72 equal to 360 root 3 square meter. The area of prism is equal to 2.